Rafi Rivas has been a game changer. Paulino step through. Bank shot is good for the lethal weapons.
You need to be able to win to be able to stay in the business.
Meron tayong Game 7. Do or die sa ating semifinal round ng PBA Philippines.
Hold up.
Sidelines and Dom, at this point, do you just throw away all the stats, or are there still something?
You know, everything now, everything is even. I don't think anybody can actually say na asigurado man.
To you by Cobra Energy Drink. Simula na ang labanan ng tunay na lakas.
Alam mo kasi itong dalawang koponan, both rely a lot on defense. You know, you're trying to be aggressive. Didn't have such an impressive game number.
For a scoreless game number 5. Pasok ang unang free. Yung ginagawa na yun ni James Yap for more than a decade.
Remember, game number 3.
Oh yeah. Belga hinahanap si James. James, step back from outside. Yes! Lee, babawi. Wala, pero may foul.
That's uncharacteristic of Paul Lee.
Belga. Oh, Sanggalang with the rejection.
Dito sa free throw line.
Borboran.
At itong Rainer siya, hindi pa nananalo yan ng All-Filipino Cup.
Ito Victolero. Ito yung una nilang Game 7.
Kung tumabi ka kay Bo, makakaramdam ka.
Kahit nga hindi ka niya pinagkat. Alex Ramos.
For Mocon, because at their young career, yun, all of a sudden, ang ganda na kailang lalaro at ang bilis yung pag-develop nila as a player. Yung napaka-importante na.
Halalon. That's rejected by Norbert. May foul ang Rainer Shine, hindi binigay. Brontial for 3!
Walang bababiglang tira, isang bansa, isang liga, basketballista ganatong-ganatong.
Shine, the basket behind the back, Takiwan, can't finish! Dahil nandyan!
Rainer Shine scoreless.
Yeah.
In what, 6 minutes?
Let's take a look at this drive inside by Andy Mark Baroka. Yan po, 8 seconds, Norwood against Rivas. Gabe going hard.
That's what you need.
Shine. It's huge to even try to have that opportunity to get back.
So much off-court controversy for the Elastopainers as James Yap willing to trim the Magnolia lead to only 4. Take a look first. The up and under move from Yap.
You need to be able to win to be able to stay in the business.
Using those big paws. Magnolia is still up though, 16-12 here in the second.
Down to just 4 points.
Yap on the fadeaway, rejected by a good swipe round. Oh, nice roll by Bo.
Even at that type of a ball game, because you know it was something that.
So siya ngayon naasa sa swerte at kung napansin natin na maganda ulit yung kanyang performance.
I mean, rain or shine, you know that this team can score.
Thank you. Mohon looking for his first 2 points.
17 points, ang shooting nila 14%. Nila sa PBA, di ba? Even internationally, he's really one of those guys.
Remaining in the first half. Montferrada for 3. Big shot. Para kay Joel. Radial jumper. Yes, big production by. And the winner of the series. Kailangan mag-recover.
7 points in 9 minutes for Joel Kontra to make that 8. Oh. Actually, you know, before Chris retired, probably paid.
Gabe is running. Look at Gabe Norwood is soaring and scoring for the 2. Ramos for 3. Gabe at back. Look at Norwood. Hezi driving and able to get it up and over Rafi Rivas. 4 minutes to find out who will advance to the finals to face San Miguel. We will pause for a break. Right. James on the step back for 3. What a shot! Up and under move. Excellent defense by Belga.
Unity sa depensa naman nila. Sabi nila, nung tumira si Gabe sa labas.
That second quarter, that's when they made that big run. And what I like about it is the assist because
by Magnolia. Pero Africa and Macy for 3. Back-to-back triple.
Belga.
Belga sent back by Sanggalang. Over to Belga. Press na naman. Bang, bang!
Some points off that transition.
Belga 2 rebounds. And this is a guy that has to pick it up.
Goals in terms of makes. And you know, that's really something.
Seal inside. Rejected by Yap. Look at this help from James Yapdom.
Yun nga eh. Ilang beses ba natin nakakita si
Screen from Ian. Lee breaking through the defense. Excellent move by Mo drawing the defense. Gabe for three, top of the key. That's good. And once again, how Mavericks suck in the defense no, para mabigyan ng espasyo.
break and get some easier shots?
And that three is definitely gonna help her.
1 hanggang 5 position pwede.
Oh, Maverick Ahanmisi. Gorgeous inside pass. Rivas can't finish. Second serving is good.
The majority of the plays,
Yeah.
if it's not a high pick and roll,
Andres. Better look from Ramos. Yeah. Andres Ramos. Attacking going hard. 7 pa yan.
and if you're Magnolia,
Also returning to the fray. Lee rejected by Takiwag. And that's going to do it. We have set 8 trainers who will face San Miguel in the finals. 12 more minutes to decide. Ramos for 3. Oh, big shot! Point shooter of the game. The stretch 4 ng Magnolia Hotshots. Aldrich Ramos. Patak! Kumahabol si Lee. But Ray able to finish for 2 over the libre. Diving. Gio can't finish. Problem is, Melton looking to tie the game. No! Sanggalang with the second serving.
by Melton, and then Iyang Sanggalang was the only guy that followed.
Lee Alagua. Melton for 3. Bang, bang! Babawi sana, wala. Torres. Na-blanco ng Magnolia.
And a game 7 at that. That's James Yap.
Gorgeous find by Sanggalang. By Halalo. James finishing with the right. Balikan na naman ng Torres. For the lead. Yes! And Magnolia. Rosales pump fake for the tie. Yes! Big shot. Para kay Rosales. May oras pa. De La Rosa jacking up a 3. Oh, big shot by
Oh, that's close. Ang iniingi ni Coach Gal.
Winner Science gonna get rid of that next play and go straight to his point. Well, the video don't lie. My finals. Sanggalang rolling. Top shot from Ian, the lefty. Shata! Step back by Ray! Oh, big shot! Yeah. Step back all the way to 3-point land. And Nabatang knocking it down. Top shot from Sanggalang. And a stop here by Rain or Shine.
Tough. And Nambata going for that. They can't really see there.
Ganun ang klase ng pisikalan dito sa ating game 7. Oh, and with a buck. Rivas offensive rebound. Finding Sanggalang. That's a miss.
Could they have reset that offense?
For James. For the win. That's blocked by Rivas. After championship after championships, nahabol niya yung jump step. Brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. May laban ka.
Hindi na credit yung rebound sa kanila.
Big shot by Sanggalang. And Rafi Rivas has been a game changer. Paulina step through. Bank shot is good. Sahig, check out this gorgeous step through move by Lee. And then getting it over the outskirts and score in overtime. Game 3. Good! Big shot! Stepping through. Malakas. Rivas another rebound. And the putback.
7 points. And this is that offensive rebound.
Grabe.
He's looking to score. Yun yung gusto mong
22 rebound difference between Magnolia and Rainbow line. Miss time. 2 seconds. Larry for 3. No! Belga for the lead. No! Rivas for James getting inside for the tie. No! Sanggalang with Ian in a headlock there.
over.
That's a miss. Belga shot. Nanaig ang eksperyensya at ang haba ni Rafi Rivas for Magnolia.
Nagtulong-tulong itong Magnolia Hotshots. What a tough